Hey guys, welcome to the Trending Technologies. Today, let's talk about the virtual threads issue when you are running your application from the IntelliJ. For example, you are using the JDK 21, which is the very latest version, which was released in the September 19th, 2023. So you wanted to use the virtual threads. So since you are writing the Java application, so that could be Spring Boot framework, you wanted to enable the virtual threads. Since it's virtual threads is officially launched, there is no more preview, so it's a live right now. So if you wanted to use the virtual threads, basically you are going to use the JDK 21. So I have added the JDK 21 in my form.xml. That is where you can see the Java version 21. So I suppose to run this application with the JDK 21. I have a config class basically, which is going to use the virtual threads and the executor service. So that's the without the virtual threads. So since I wanted to run this application, since I'm going to use the virtual thread task executor, so it says that you will have to enable the hyphen enable preview. So it is still expecting that we wanted to enable the preview version, even though the virtual threads are live with the JDK 21. So I'm right now using the JDK 21, but when I run this application, so I'm still getting this enable preview issue. How we are going to solve this issue? So if we go to the Maven or Gradle settings, so let's go to the Maven settings, and where you can see the compiler. So that's nothing but our application compiler. So check what version is enabled in the Java compiler. So click on the Java compiler. So now you can see, so this is what our application is selected at the target bytecode version, which is selected with the JDK 19, but we are expecting the JDK 21. So now when you click on this dropdown, so you don't see here 21 version, even though we wanted to use the JDK 21, which is already enabled. So you can go to the file and then project structure. You can see the JDK 21 is already enabled. So we are good with the JDK 21 enable, but the compiler bytecode version, so which is still selected with the JDK 19. So how we can enable the JDK 21? Again, go back to the Maven settings and then compiler, go to the Java compiler and choose the JDK target bytecode version from 19 to 21. Just remove this and enter the 21 and come out from this tab and click on apply and then click on OK. Now, if you run your application, so we should be able to run without any enable preview issue. So let's start this application by clicking on Run Spring Boot Virtual Thread Application. So this is my main class. So I'm about to start this application. Let's monitor the console logs. Yeah, so now we can see the application is running without any issues. So we are good to go with this. So there are no more issues with the enable preview version. That's all. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe.